Saudi. Oof. Amazing. Pasok na naman tayo sa isang tunnel. Ito yung tunnel. Signal. My favorite place. Tunnel. Short tunnel. Tapos maglalabas ka bukid. Diba? Tapos yung bahay namin ang bumungad sa'yo. Ang ganda ng aming bahay. In our dreams. Social. Ang galing. They're so rich people. Okay. Ako, okay na ako kahit gasolina lang. Matulog yung ko diri. The clouds. The clouds. Clouds with the clouds. See, this is the good thing. When you travel by land, you will see lots of... Sige, diretso. Hey! Smile sila. Go! Yes, you go! Nice! Nord Camping. Ayan. Ang daming campers here, guys. Yan. So, sulit na sulit when you come here. Yan. Bye! Shock sila sa kuha. Tumawa ka ng tumawa. Smiling ka lang dyan. Oh, paakyat na po tayo ng bukid noon. Sundan nyo lang po yung daan. The gallery. Wow! Inaano ni Jessie kung snow ba talaga yan. I cannot even recognize if it is snow. I have a telescope with me. Pero paakyat na tayo. So, napakadami na tong video na to, ha? Oh la la. Oh la 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 la. Ako, ganda-ganda, babe. Very beautiful, oh. So, aakyat sila lahat dun. Wow, stamina.
Snow lagi ba?
Where? Yeah, it's snowing. Di ko na lang sila bababayan, baka maistorbo sila. No? Guys. Sila ba yung nakita natin? Di by team yan sila, by team. Okay, arrow. Alright. O yan. Diba yan yung maganda sa nagmamaneho? Yeah, it's a snow. It's still snowing here. It's not winter, but because we are on the top of the world. Kaya malamig. Wow. I cannot resist to take a video. Do you know si Mr. Oh, ang ganda ng kanyang view. Nasasalubong na natin yung clouds. Yung clouds na nakikita natin kanina. Ayan, oh.
Snow lagi.
Clouds. Ito, pakit na naman tayo. Meron na naman yung magandang view. Magandang view. Alright. Magbabay ko sa ilahan. Babay ko sa ilahan. Oh, wow. Tayo ng Baguio City. Oh, sorry. Hindi pala ito Baguio City. Yeah. Ito yung real feelings. Ang galing. And that one, what you can see, what you are seeing right now, those is clouds. Ano pa? Plural ba siya? Hello! Sige lang ako babay sa kanila. Good luck, guys. Congratulations for your achievements. Dito na naman tayo sa Fogs. Napakadaming lake. And it's also lake. Another lake. Yeah. Yan, snow po yan. Okay lang naman ang temperature. Pag nasa loob ka ng sasakyan. Ingat po tayo sa pagmamaneho because there are also drivers, bikers here. And grabing achievement. Dati nakikita ko lang to sa TV. May bonus point pa. May ka-date pa ako. May mga turista. Yan. And by the way, didn't spend much. Pag meron kang sasakyan, tapos marunong kang maging flexible, so gasoline, the most important is the gasoline and your food. Yan. Kaya maaabot nyo to. Ayan. There are people, they are staying there. They stay maybe overnight, caravans. So manifesting. Manifesting. Makakakuha tayo ng ganyan. Malapit na po tayo sa Nordkapp. Nordkapp Way. Aakyat na naman tayo. Kikita na natin yung mga snow. Sige lang, lapitan natin yan later.
Pwede siya malaan eh.
Yeah. Andyan lang sila. Bukol-bukol. Daming lake. Imagine, di ba? Parang amazing. Sa gitna ng bundok, may mga tubig-tubig, ganyan, ganyan. And then this one also. Oh.
Actually camping yan.
Okay. Those buses looks like Tutube. Tutube is a dragonfly. Hello. Double ingat. Double ingat tayo. Double ingat. Nasaan? Ah, may mga deer. Sige lang. Buti na lang. Dala mo yung dalawa mong malaking telescope. We're not gonna spend a night here. We're going down. Hello guys. Kamangs. As you can see, you cannot see. Actually, we are on the top of the mountain, like real mountain, top of the Norway, going to Nordkapp, and it's already 6:48 in the afternoon, and it's zero visibility here. Let's see if we will get inside Nordkapp because we see nothing but fogs. But yeah, this is exciting, interesting also, and nice experience. So, meron nang pauwi na sila eh, no? So, dapat pala pupunta tayo dito ng sunny day. Maybe we can come here a bit early. So, bababa tayo at mag-spend tayo ng night, and then tomorrow we come back here. Hello guys. I just want to share how I feel right now. Feeling is wala na tayo makikita. So, I feel like I'm suffocated. Parang closed area siya, walang makita. Para akong nasa loob ng isang tunnel. Oh, ayan, di pa sila nakikita. Diretso. Siguro diretso na lang tayo sa Nordkapp and then U-turn. Ayan, meron siyang left. Okay. No entry, but it's there. Nakaka-suffocate siya konti. Oh. Mahangin masyado. Really, mahangin. We go back na. Kaya hindi siya parang hindi siya safe. Pero meron siyang toilet. Oh yeah. Alright guys. We're here in Nordkapp. Nordkapp, yeah. But okay, can you see that? It's so windy outside. Yan, experience the wind. Oh, open natin para meron naman tayong experience this kind of weather here. So we decided not to go inside kasi medyo risky siya for us. And then uwi na lang kami and then we came back tomorrow. They said that it's 2 hours ago it was sunny. So cannot take any photo anyway. Masyadong mahangin, windy. Ayan, can you see? So even though we take a photo, it's useless. Alright, but anyway, we reached Nordkapp. We're at the top of the Norway. Open. Uwi na tayo. To the right. To the right. Okay. Labas na po kami, so it's the same way. Okay na yan, Dad. Dito na tayo sa Nordkapp eh. It's fine. Nordkapp. Ayan, hindi po pa siya. ready for the adventure. Very quick para ma-experience lang natin kung gaano ka zero visibility outside and then it's really cold and mahangin. So, ikaw yung hahawak ng telepono. Alam mo na yung gagawin, okay? So, doon ka daraan sa front. Yan, libot tayo ganun. Okay, hawakan mo na. Oh, ba't ka takot? Okay. Ako na lang. Okay, go. Whew. Sarap. Oh, my. Ang palit ni. Oh, my. Okay, ang kalo di mo ha. Oh. Bye. Wala ko na sa cellphone. Oh, sige, limon tayo. So, malagpot ko. Buti na lang kumain ako ng chips. Chips. Lagpot ko, oy. Okay, at least we are here in Nordkapp during this kind of weather. Pero masarap yung lamig ah. Pero ako malagpot.
Okay ra si Mawa kay makita ito sa taas.
Okay lang, basta nandyan ka.
Bayad ka 28?
Hindi. Pero okay lang naman yung experience. Kay at least
Pero nakakapanta experience na.
yeah, na-experience mo yung lamig. So, para naman nanginginig na ako sa lamig. Uwi na kayo guys. Wala kayong makikita. Alright, that's it.
Wala makitang Nordkapp. Bayad mag 28.
The experience is para akong matatapon. Buti na lang strong yung aking mga paa. Grabe yun ah. Alright. Mabalik na po kami sa baba at sa baba ay maraming view. And then we can back here tomorrow. And so pag-drive mo dito, zero visibility. Chicken. Basic. Basic daw. Grabe. Kaya I trust you a lot. Okay. Sige lang, tomorrow ako mag-drive. Okay? Oh, nandito na yung mga sports cars kanina. Uy, bilis pa kayong magtatakbo ah. Dapat dahan-dahan lang kayo sir. May bike sa unahan natin. Oh. Grabe. But I like the coldness. Yun lang, sobrang hangin siya. So bababa na naman po tayo. Ayan. So be careful kasi may mga buses. Yeah. You need a professional driver here. Dito na naman tayo na side. Oh, snow. Eh? Wala na po dito. Ito naman yung view pababa, pabalik doon. Yung walang fog na siya, yung sa baba na. May mga campers din dito. You can camp here anywhere kung saan mo gusto, di ba? Yeah. We're back. See you tomorrow. Okay lang. At least na-experience ko yung hangin-hangin. Go to the right.